There is no meaning of anything in itself. Things get meaning from the system they are part of. There is no meaning of anything outside the structure. For example, cat is cat because cat is not dog. Or ma'am is a professor. Ma'am is professor because ma'am is not vice chancellor. Or she is not. Why am I saying this? Because the word professor and cat has specific place in the system of language and we cannot use interchangeably. It is fixed and stable. But post-structuralism challenges view and says, okay, there is structure, but who defines the structure? Who set the structure? Who is benefiting from the structure? It further argues that meaning change over time. It is not fixed. It depends on the context, it depends on who is speaking and who is in the power. For example, for some people, a person could be a terrorist, but for others, he may be a freedom fighter. Another example would be in 1960.
Concepts are fluid. What happened?
Another example would be in 1960 in Beluga Union case, Supreme Court said preamble is not part of the Constitution. But in favor of the Bharti case, Supreme Court said it is part of the Constitution. So here you can see how meaning change over time and who is defining the meaning. Now what is the basic methodology for the researchers? First, structuralism helps to find a pattern. For example, if you are studying Indian cinema, you will observe a definitive pattern like there will be hero, heroine, villain, nation, enemy, etc. Post-structuralism helps to question this pattern and say who defines the nation, who is benefiting from the idea of nation. So we cannot rely on any one method, we have to rely on both because if we rely on only structuralism, we may take meaning for granted. But if we rely only on post-structuralism, we may fall into chaos because as if everything means anything, or we may start calling this my cat's cat and this fang as dog. Thank you.